Hi, Dan and Dee. How you guys doing today?
We're good.
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
All right.
So tell me, how was your experience with the design consultant who came to your home?
With
Good.
Richard. Great.
Richard was great.
Oh,
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
Yeah, he let us know the directions and the different types and what looks
Good.
good.
And he did help you with color choices, or did you guys? Yeah.
Yes.
It does look really nice. It looks really beautiful. And then how were the installers that came in? How were they?
Great. They were great.
Oh,
Fast.
good.
Good.
Yay.
And they also asked the same questions, which direction we wanted the tile facing, and they did a great job.
Yeah, I see that transitioning was just really, really nice too. Like, it just blends very well. And then basically overall, how was the experience? Was it, was it an easy process for you guys?
Very.
Yeah,
Yay.
it was easy.
As easy as it can get for getting your floors
Yeah.
installed, right?
moving everything out, putting it all back, but they helped us do that too. So,
Oh,
so
good.
that was great.
Oh, good. Well, thank you guys so much for all of your inputs. You guys enjoy the rest of your week and your beautiful floors. Thank you.